Hello again. I'm back. I think this is video number 4. I don't know. I'm Mr. Bing, and this is it's February 1st, 2021. It's the spring semester, the first day of your new semester. This is Introduction to Engineering Design, which is my first block class, your first block class. This is the Schoology course page. In the first video, I talked about that. In the second video, start here folder. In the second video, I talked about the announcements. That was a pretty good video. And then in the third video, I talked about the Project Lead the Way, Introduction to Engineering Design course page. That was a pretty bad video. I really didn't think I gave a lot of good information there. It was pretty basic. Look at it, of course, but one of the big problems with that Project Lead the Way course page is that you don't have access to it without a username. I have those usernames. I haven't quite figured out a way to get it to you. I'll probably email you all individually. The password for all of you is the same, PLTW 2021. It's all lowercase, PLTW 2021, no spaces. I'll give you a username. You'll get a username. But what I want to talk about in this video is we opened up announcements and went over that. We opened up the Schoology, or I'm sorry, the Project Lead the Way course page and went over that poorly, but we did. And then now I want to talk about the Engineering Notebook Simulator. This is something I'm very proud of. I hope you're impressed with it. Engineering notebooks, nothing happened. Okay, this could be a little bit of an issue. This Engineering Notebook Simulator should open up right there easily, but let me open up a new tab and see if that, okay, it's there. I don't know why it wasn't there. I'll work on that. Even though personally, I like to view it in the new tab, which is here. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. So you can view it within Schoology. I don't like to do that personally. I like to open it in a new tab, and here it is. This engineering notebook is like an official document. All the work that you do in engineering has to be documented in an official engineering notebook. And think of it like a legal document that this is your work that you are claiming. You even sign each page and someone witness each page that says, this is my work. No one can steal this from me. But in the engineering notebook, I'm going to give these to you. They're beautiful, notebooks, $3 each compared to like a 50-cent Staples notebook. They not for you, $3. We bought them. We bought them. You get them for free. Anyway, I'm going to give you these notebooks when I see you for the first time. And if I never see you because you're an e-learner, I will get this notebook to you somehow, some way. I will deliver it to you because I want you to have these notebooks. If you tell me, oh, I don't need a notebook, I can just use regular Staples crappy notebook. I would rather you not. I would rather use the official notebook. And the thing about this is a notebook simulator. This is not a notebook. This is a Google Sheet. And I made this. It's a notebook simulator. And what this shows is there is a page in your notebook called Table of Contents. And then there's a second page also called Table of Contents. And there might even be a third one. And so this is a page and this is a page. There's 2 pages. And so I'm going to zoom in, zoom back. And then what I hope you see here is that there's 3 columns, date, title, and page number. The date that I did the assignment or the date that you start an assignment, you put in there. Don't put 113 and 114. Put whatever date you started this assignment. And the 2 assignments that I've done so far is 113 concept sketching and 113 plus concept sketching plus. And this is page 1 is that first assignment. I'll show you that in a moment. And then page 6 is the second assignment. So the first one must have taken page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. And then the next assignment will start on page 10. So this assignment must have been 6, 7, 8, 9 pages, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 pages. And so let me show you what I'm talking about. I've created a tab for each assignment. There's the table of contents. Here is the first assignment, page 1, 113 concept sketching. Let me zoom out and show you sort of what this looks like. Each one of these is a page in the notebook. This is a simulator. This is not what the actual notebook looks like because yours will be pen on paper. I prefer blue, pen on paper. And there will be all these sketches. These are your sketches. This is a simulation of that. This shows what your notebook, the first 5-ish, maybe 4, depending on how you lay out your work. The first 5 pages should look something like that. And I think I'm going to do a separate video explaining what the assignment specifically is. But basically, you put a title, and it's already page numbered. And then after you've done all of your work with the goal, let me zoom back in again. After you've done all your work, writing down all the goals and the materials and the resources, and then this is resource information, the definitions and such, and then the actual procedure, step 1, step 2, step 3. It's telling you what to do. Step 4, it's It's telling you what to do with those, which is those sketches. And then I said, skip steps 5 through 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, you don't have to do. And then step 9, sketch these. And then skip the career connections portion of the assignment. We just don't have time for everything. And then reflection question, answer that. And then conclusion questions, answer those. And whenever you have a blank space on an engineering notebook page, it's as official. You can't have a blank space. So you draw a big diagonal line through any blank space and then you sign it. You see my signature there. And then at the bottom of each notebook page, I'm going to go crazy zoom in on this now. Maybe not that much. That's too much. Whoops. Okay. Let's say it's that. Okay. This concept, 113 concept sketching, page 1. There's all the work, all the work, all the work. At the bottom of the page, there's a place for a signature and a witness. You sign your work, a witness, classmate, someone who can verify that this is your work and that it's good engineering work. Sign that, date it. If you have any team members, those go here. Teaming is going to be pretty hard with pandemic, but who knows? And then your assignment is continued. If it's continued on another page, then you indicate that there. So that's a quick little dive into the way the engineering notebook works. I think I will do another video explaining this specific assignment rather than go on and on about this. So table of contents, there's my first 2 assignments. Here are 5 pages of the first assignment, 113. And look, here is 113 plus, which looks like it's 4 more pages. A lot of sketching in this one. Since it's a plus, it's not as much writing. It's more just doing. Expect a lot of notebook work in this class. And so I'm going to stop the video there. This is Introduction to Engineering Design, course page, announcements, Project Lead the Way course page, engineering notebook. I'll do more in a little bit, but I'm stopping now.